popular.
We the ones setting trends, we keep it so real and you just pretend.
We make it popular.
We the ones that will shine, we 10 steps ahead and you just behind.
Well, hold up.
I think I hear a little hater in the room.
Hello everyone, I'm Deja B and thank you for tuning in to my Popular Girls channel. On this edition of Popular Girls, I'm going to show you how to make your own flower cake stand. Now this is so easy and so inexpensive. A lot of times when you look on different websites and you see cake stands, they could be a lot of money. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own cake stand using products from Dollar Tree and Amazon, and it's so easy to do. And the good thing about this is all the products that I show you, you could customize it to however you like. You could do it with different colors, you could do it with different flowers, and you could do it with anything your heart's desire. So I want you to stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to make this cake stand. First, you want to start off by spray painting the vase. I gave it about 3 coats. So once you spray paint 1 coat, you let it dry and then you spray paint again and repeat the process. Another thing is you want to make sure whenever you're doing spray painting, you want to be in a well ventilated area. I usually do mine outside. I have a balcony, so that way it dries very quickly and you're not breathing in those type of fumes. All I'm doing right here is taking the stems off the flowers that I purchased from Dollar Tree. You want to have between 16 to 20 flowers, depending on the size of the flowers you have and depending on the size frame that you have. So next I'm just ripping off the back of the frame because you want the back of the frame to be flat. So next I'm just taking out the paper that came with the frame and I'm going to use this as a guide to cut out the cardstock paper because you want the cardstock paper to fit perfectly inside the frame. Now the reason why I chose cardstock paper because you could change it out for different colors and different textures. This one I purchased from Micheals. This is like a glittery gold type cardstock paper. And the perfect thing about cardstock paper is it's very sturdy. Another option is you could actually spray paint the glass, but I didn't want to do that. Here I'm just showing you how the frame will look. It will actually look cute without the flowers as well. But of course, because I'm always extra, I had to put some flowers on it. So I'm gonna just take my glue gun and I'm gonna glue the flowers all around the frame. You wanna make sure when you're gluing on the flowers on the frame, you want to make sure that you space them out, but don't space them out too much to where you can see in between them. So you want to kind of do from petal to petal, if that makes sense. Now that I'm looking at it, without the vase, this could make a nice cute platter as well. So with the cardstock paper, I didn't put it on the other frame. I just put it on the top because that's what's going to be seen. So now I'm going to take the frame that we put the cardstock paper in, and that's going to go on top, and that's going to cover the flowers. So I'm just hot gluing the top frame, and that's gonna go on top of the second frame with the flowers. So right here, I noticed that me putting pressure on the glass frame, I ended up cracking it. So you want to make sure that you handle this very carefully because you are dealing with glass. And to avoid this, if you want to, maybe buy some extra frames. That way, if you do break the glass, then you could just have extra. I ended up leaving the glass out of it and just using the cardstock paper. You could use that option as well because the cardstock paper is very sturdy, and it actually, I kind of like it without the glass because it doesn't have a glare to it. So now I'm just trying to figure out where the middle is. That's going to be very important because you want to make sure the vase goes directly in the middle. That way it doesn't topple over and it's even. So once you find the middle point, you want to just put some hot glue in the middle and then put some on the frame and put some on the vase. Now you have your flower cake stand. Wasn't that so easy and fun to do? This is actually my first time doing this, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, and it came out better than I expected. And the thing about this is you could customize it to your liking. You could put different flowers, you could put different cardstock paper. And the reason why I chose to do cardstock paper is you could change it out. So let's say one day for one event you wanted to use gold, and then the next time you wanted to use a pink or whatever color you like. That's the reason why I chose cardstock. You could actually spray paint the glass. You could do that too, but like I said, with this, if you want it to be versatile, that's why I chose the cardstock paper. And these things are so inexpensive. Once again, I got the flowers from Dollar Tree, the vase for $1, and the frame from $1 from Dollar Tree. And all the most expensive thing that I had was the spray paint from Amazon, but you could get that on Amazon for less than $10, or you could go to Micheals and use your coupons. Always go to Micheals and make sure that you use your coupons. So I hope you learned a lot of stuff today, and once again, thank you for tuning in to my Popular Girls channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you click the notification button. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
We the ones setting trends, we keep it so real and you just pretend.